Hello guys, today we make different type of card for New Year. Now we cut 8 pieces of silver glitter sheet in same size. Then we cut 5 round shape of silver paper. Then we cut 4 different sizes of glitter black sheet. Then we need to fold paper for making card shape. On black card sheet, we paste round shape black glitter sheet and also paste silver round sheet. In the last, we stick silver glitter sheet in round shape. Easy to make New Year card, then give to your loved ones. Hello guys, we have another New Year card idea. First we take blue computer paper, then fold blue paper for card. Then make a tree on the side of blue paper with white pen. And also make a small tree beside the big tree. Now apply glitter on wet white because tree shows brighter. Then we use hard sheet for border, 2-inch wide or same like card. Then whole border of silver side with punching machine and paste as a border. This is how you can also make it easily and quickly. To watch my another amazing video, to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.